Hello friends, hope you are doing very good. So dear friends, we may observe various messages. So उसी के रिगार्डिंग ये अपडेट है. एक तो वर्चुअल मीटिंग के रिगार्डिंग है, एक तो एक्सग्रेशिया. So we may observe from the messages posted here that there are various views on the completion of the subjects, that is exgratia, pensioners, updation. Though found linked, 5-day banking is not directly connected with the retirees issue. So whatever may be the same as pensioners, we may have only one concern before us right now, that is on the quantum of proposed ex gratia as per MOU. So since the effective date of payment has already been agreed, that part is already clear, and one of the reason for delay in signing the 12th BPS 9th joint is said to be on the account of the delay in getting approval of the proposal of Indian Bank Association on 5-day banking at the industrial level. So leaders have openly declared earlier that signing of BPS may take place simultaneously on declaration of 5-day banking by Ministry of Finance. Under this backdrop from message GS of one of the bank vice officer organizations, we learn that today United Farmer Bank Union held a virtual meeting to move on what may be the next on by Patat and joint note. As per Rupam Roy, the General Secretary of All India Bank Officer Confederation, फाइनल एग्रीमेंट है दोस्तों जो final agreement is expected to be signed within 2 months. Also, the cut-off period is 180 days. So let us wait. So friends, this is regarding the update on so many issues. So friends, we have to wait, and so मैसेज GS वन ऑफ द बैंक वाइज अगर आप ऑफिसर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बात करें, सो वी हैव लर्न टुडे यूनाइटेड फार्मर बैंक यूनियन ने अभी एक जो वर्चुअल मीटिंग अपनी रखी है, उसकी आई थिंक आई हैव शेयर वन ऑफ द वीडियो आल्सो इन मॉर्निंग. सो आपको पता होगा 5-डे बैंकिंग साइन ना होने की वजह से बैंकर का एज वेल एज पेंशनर्स का यहाँ पे ज्वाइंट नोट साइन नहीं हो रहा. So we have to wait on the ex gratia also front as well as on the bipartite settlement also. So with this, that's all. So kindly share the update if possible and subscribe to the channel.